Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see a very interesting thing about this date or rather a month function. But there is a twist about it. What is happening is, suppose I type here 6, then I want a name of the month to appear in this cell. Okay. Now this is totally different from month function. What month function does is only extract the month from the date. So if I type here say 10th December 2020, and if we say month, tab and bracket complete, control enter, so it is giving me 12, but we don't want 12. What we want is the name of the month, that is December, to appear over here. And trust me, there is no as such function in Excel which can deal with this, and the only function which can be helpful in this regard is a text function. And those of you who have seen my video on this conditional formatting, there I have used that text function to derive the Saturdays or the days. Okay, so in those videos we have seen how we can highlight the second and fourth Saturdays and all that thing. So in that video I have used that text month, but in this case we are going to use this text month with a twist. So remember, the objective is to have this what is called is name of this month. So I want to have here December. Okay, so the moment I change here, this is only a date. Suppose if I set 12, then I want December to appear over here. Okay, so what we can do is, in this case, is equal to, I'll set text tab. Let me first change this to general format. Okay, and is equal to text tab, the value is this, and we are going to multiply this by 29 so as to take care of the leap year as well, 29, and the format we want is month, so MMM, then double quotation marks complete. I am completing the parenthesis and control enter. So this is how you can arrive at a name of the month using text function. And in case if this month changes to say July, it will give you Jewel. So this is an abbreviation. If you want a complete name of the month, so you can simply add one more M to this, so it will give the entire month. So control enter, and here you have. So whenever you are doing certain kind of MIS or any Excel sheet where you want a complete name of the month, only a name of the month, then you can use this trick. You can simply type a number here, and then you multiply that number by 29 and comma. Because you want month, you can simply give MMM for abbreviation and 4 times M for to get the complete name of the month. So I hope this video is useful for you, and as such there is no point in sharing a file or which you can practice upon. So I think this was something which I discovered just a day back. So I said let's share this in my video. So thanks a lot and take care. Bye.